Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a yummy, refreshing orange sorbet. Super easy to do, only 4 ingredients. Let's get started. Down below in the description box you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts. We have 3 cups of orange juice. I have 2 cups in here and I'm going to add an additional cup. 2/3 cup of sugar. We do need to add sugar because that's what's going to make this sorbet scoopable and have the right consistency. A pinch of salt, and then 6 tablespoons of really hot water. So first of all, I'm going to take this water, the 6 tablespoons of water, and I'm going to heat it up till it's pretty much boiling. You can do it on the stovetop, or I'm just going to do it in the microwave and get it really hot. Alrighty, that was like 45 seconds in the microwave. I'm going to take this 2/3 cup of sugar and pour it right in there. And the reason why we use hot water is because we need to dissolve the sugar and create a simple syrup. So I'm just going to stir it for just a couple seconds to get that completely dissolved. Alright, so your simple syrup should be nice and clear. And you shouldn't see any like specks of sugar in there, no grains. And there we go. Perfect. And now I have my ice cream machine. This is the Instant Pot Instant Chill. It's Instant Pot's new ice cream maker. I love it. I have a couple other ice cream videos here that showcase this and also a specific review that you can check out here on my channel if you want to pick this particular one up. I love it. Now I'm going to take my orange juice and pour it right in here. And then also I have a pinch of salt. This is going to add just a little bit of balance to this sorbet. And then I'm going to pour in that simple syrup. I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to hit the sorbet button. And it's going to go for 24 minutes. I almost forgot that extra cup of orange juice. Again, it needs to be 3 cups of orange juice. All right, time is up. Let's take a look at this. Look at that, awesome. Looks so good. And now at this point, it's kind of a slushy consistency. You could definitely eat it like this. Look at that. That is amazing. Or if you want to firm it up, I'm just going to scoop it all out and put it in this bowl. And then I'm going to cover this and put it in the freezer for at least a couple hours. And then it'll be more firm and we'll scoop it out and serve it. But you can definitely eat it right now. All right, I took it out of the freezer. Let's scoop this up. Look at that. Yeah. Awesome. Orange sorbet. That is absolutely amazing. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. Thumbs up, down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this some more. Oh yeah.